Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And this video for speeding up your PC can also be, the one about RAM memory can be used for even modern PCs on Windows 11. This one will also, we're focusing on Windows 10 speed up here for older PCs, but this is a general rule of even modern PCs. If you want to speed up your computer and even more on an old computer, because most modern Windows 11 computers probably come with SSDs or solid state drives, but a lot of the older PCs came with magnetic hard drive, the good old hard drives that are mechanical. One of the things that you can do to speed up your PC really a lot is to change that drive for an SSD drive. SSD drives are extremely fast. They don't have any mechanical parts, are in general extremely reliable, and any PC, even an old PC that has been actually modified to have an SSD, well, you know what? They all run faster, a lot faster. Boot up is faster. Everything is faster. Why? Because SSD drives are just faster to do everything. So if you are thinking of maybe your hard drive's crashed and you're thinking, should I, fix the PC? Well, SSD drives are inexpensive and are getting even cheaper as time goes by. Even old hard drives, even old computers that don't have dedicated solid state drive ports like the NVMe and so on, you know what? It doesn't matter. There are SSD drives made for SATA connection. And even though they don't reach the speeds of the newer SSD drives, they'll still be a lot faster than any mechanical drive you'll put there. So if you're to change the hard drive, or if you want to speed up your PC and you're ready to put a little bit of money on it, you know what? An SSD drive is the way to go. So, of course, buy the biggest one that you can, buy for the money. It's simple. Solid state drives are really a game changer in terms of computers. Anybody with a solid state drive will tell you how fast a PC is, doing almost everything, including installing updates, installing software, including boot up. And this is simple. It's because of the design of the way they work. And what is cool, like I said, is even older technologies like SATA, because most really old computers, most computers more than 5 years old, don't have in general the connectors for a specific SSD, solid state drive. But it doesn't matter. Like I said, these 7, 8, 9 year old PCs will definitely run faster, and we have SSD drives that are adapted for SATA. So it's as simple as, replacing a hard drive. You'll just remove the mechanical hard drive, put the SATA solid state drive in it, and then just reinstall Windows. And they work like a standard hard drive. Of course, if your computer has the capability of newer NVMe, and that happens on a lot of PCs were sold at one point with mechanical hard drives because that would lower the price, but had the connectors for NVMe drives. And what would happen is that those are not used, but you have a mechanical hard drive, which is dreadfully slow. An example of that, I have here an Acer computer, which is a gaming computer, and an Acer Nitro. And the one that came with the hard drive that came with that Acer Nitro at the time was a mechanical hard drive. And the Acer is actually very slow, yet it's a very powerful machine. As soon as I put an NVMe SSD drive in it instead, it's like a game changer. That computer became extremely fast. So there is a huge difference. I see a lot of people saying, well, those SSDs, I don't need that. You really don't know what you're talking about. SSD drives literally will take an old, slow PC and you won't believe how fast it actually is going to become. So it is a worthwhile upgrade. If you have enough RAM and you have an SSD, that old PC is going to be amazingly fast. You'll be very surprised. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.